Well, everyone, so right now it is on time to assess uh, these two types of source, yeah, brought from internet to think critically. Well, it is just the conceptualization answer. Okay, so now let's compare your answer. Hopefully, you have uh, taken or selected some um, insuitable words. Okay. Now move to the first type. Yeah, first type. It is showing you as following. You know something written in red color for you. It is the expression of uh, uh, yeah that insuitable words. Yeah. Uh, yeah, you can read the whole. There are several aspects of type number one, which should make the reader courteous. Yeah, courteous. The start is very personal, okay, because it has used the word we are a lot, and informal it's down to a lot, and there is a word used wrongly. Yeah, it is a um, yeah spelling mistake. Yeah, lose. Yeah, instead of lose. Yeah, so the correct one it has got only one o. Yeah, the wrong one has got double o. Yeah, lose. Yeah, instead of lose. No sources are provided. Yeah, it doesn't have the reference or the bibliography. Yeah, when you read that text, you will see this. Okay, it doesn't have this sources. But possibly more disturbing is carelessness with facts. Is it really possible that thousands of acres of rainforest are being cut down every second? Yeah, every second. The writer also claims that many species are being lost every second. But if we take the figure of 50,000 per year, it means one species is lost every 10 minutes. Clearly, the writer is seeking to dramatize. Yeah, which means the writer drama. Yeah, he had dramatized the subject, but it is quite unsuitable as an academic source. Yeah. So this type of document is not suitable for academic study. Yeah, sure. And whereas yeah the second type, yeah, what about the second type? Yeah, in contrast, the second type is written in accurate, yeah, semi-formal language, and it includes a source. Yeah, it seems more likely to be reliable. Yeah, reliable. Okay. Okay, now try to read the instruction A. Read the following text and decide if you can trust the information. Give reasons for your decisions in the table below. Yeah, try to read this, everyone. Yeah, hard up. Yeah, why struggle when you could live in luxury? Solve your money worries easily and quickly by working for us. No experience needed. You can earn hundreds of pounds for just a few hours work per day. Work when it suits you, day or night. Don't delay. Call today for an interview on 07795 246 791. Okay, let's consider this kind of text. Yeah, this type of text. You know, everyone, does it look like um, yeah, common sense or more formal? Okay, so let's consider yourself. Okay, next. Okay, try to take time to read text 6.2 yourself. Okay, do you see uh, title or subtitle or author's name or yeah bibliography or reference or index. Yeah, check it yourself. Yeah, when you finish it, yeah, when you finish reading it, so move to point 3. Yeah, point 3, look at yourself. Yeah, most students find that they have financial difficulties at times. All right, try to, yeah, read it yourself for more, yeah, understandability for yourself. Okay, now compare your answer. Okay, how about the first text? Yeah, uh, what does the first text look like? Does it look like the academic text, or is it reliable, everyone? Okay, so now let's compare your answer with me. Hopefully you have done it already. Yeah, you have written the answer already. So now let's validate your answer with me. So the answer for the first text is like this: probably unreliable. Yeah, probably unreliable. Yeah, the adjective used easily, work easily, quickly, and the lack of concrete information suggests that this text is not to be trusted. It doesn't have the reliable information. In addition, also, common sense should suggest that you cannot legally earn hundreds of pounds in a few hours. Yeah, it looked like cheating. Yeah, it cannot be like that. Yeah, this should be the conceptual answer. All right, now move to the second, yeah, second type of text. Yeah, does it look like the first one, or different? Okay, let's compare your answer with me. Yeah, probably reliable. Yeah, probably reliable. The advice the writer is giving appears common sense. Although not everyone might agree with all of it, but some. Yeah, for example, cooking is fun. Yeah, drinking beer is for drunk. Yeah, playing football is, yeah, for happiness. Okay. Yeah, or watching movie is for fun, something like that. Yeah, so it is more reliable. It look like that. Okay, now move to take number 3. Okay, let's compare your answer with me. Yeah, it is probably reliable. Yeah, the fact given can be confirmed by students' experience. Yeah, so it is more reliable. Do you think this three type of tech uh, can this three type of tech be used for academic study? Yeah, do you think? Okay, so consider of it yourself. Okay, instruction B. You are writing an essay on expanding educational provision in developing countries. Your title: Improving Literacy in Sub-Saharan Africa. You find the following article in a written magazine. Read it critically and decide whether you could use it in your work. Okay, so yeah, everyone take time to read this text for yourself. Yeah, this text look nice. Yeah, it has got a good slogan, education for all. Yeah, when you finish your reading this text, move to, okay, find, yeah, okay, after you have finished reading the text 6.4, find its positive and negative aspects. Yeah, between try to find the good point and negative point, yeah, from this text. Okay, you find it. Okay, yeah, work individually. Okay, try to find the good points and negative points from the text yourself, and then put in the answer sheet for positive aspect and negative aspects. 5 minutes, okay, to do it. Well, everyone, so now it is assumed that it is on time for you to validate the answer. Yeah, check the answer all together. Okay, now let's compare your answer with me. Yeah, so the answer for the positive aspect is, yeah, like this. Yeah, it contains some relevant ideas. Yeah, it contains, which means this text contains some relevant ideas or related ideas. The studies mentioned could be followed up using a search engine. Okay, we can go there. And whereas the negative aspect, yeah, what is it? Okay, now let's check the answer together. Yeah, the answer for negative aspect for this, yeah, for the take 6.4 is, yeah, rather superficial and informal in style. Yeah, no citation. It doesn't have the citation and the source. Yeah, it doesn't have the source reference. Now, can you imagine that you can identify some types of text? You know, what kind of text do you think it is informal, and what kind of text is it more formal for academic study? Everyone, okay, so you can identify its characteristic according to types of text. Okay, sequentially. Okay, now you need to think in depth. Yeah, you need to do critical thinking. Even when you feel that a text is reliable and that you can safely use it as a source, it is still important to adopt a critical attitude towards it. Yeah, you need to modify. Yeah, you need to edit uh, uh, toward the those kind of academic text. This approach is perhaps easiest to learn when reading, but is important for all other academic work. Yeah, it adds listening, yeah, discussing, and writing. Yeah, critical thinking means not just passively accepting what you hear or read, but instead actively questioning and assessing it. Yeah, this is the this is the meaning of critical thinking. Yeah, you can be based on this short content, this short meaning. As you read, you should ask yourself the following questions. So it has a number of questions. You should use as following. Uh, what are the key ideas in this text? Okay, major main ideas. Does the argument of the writer develop logically, step by step, or sequentially, or in order? Is it easier to understand? Does it have the reasonable argument? Are the examples given helpful? Yeah, is it beneficial for study? Would other example be better? Okay, so you can compare those type of text. Does the author have any bias? Yeah, does the author have uh, injustice in judgment? Yeah, like that. Does the evidence presented seem reliable, or in my experience and using common sense? Yeah. So, is it reliable or not? Yeah. Is this argument similar to anything else I have read? Okay, similar to. Yeah. So these are a good question. Okay. It should be a good um, guided question. Do I agree with the writer's views, or do I agree with the writer's perspective, idea, yeah, the writer's idea? Okay, so you may use these questions, yeah, for your basic thinking. Okay. Read the following text as 7.1, thinking critically about the sections in bold. Okay, so okay, then answer question from one from question number 1 to number 10, number 9, sorry. Okay, try to read this long text. Okay, and you also mentioned the bold letter. Okay, the bold letter, try to think it critically. Okay, what does it mean? What does it focus on? What is it about? Or what is it related to? What quality does it have? Yeah, or is it good to use in the other purposes? Okay. Now try to read this, everyone. I think you should take time to read uh, yeah, until you finish. Okay. Well, everyone, hopefully you have read this text already. So now we move next. Yeah, as you have seen in the text, you will see the bold letter. Yeah, for example, the number one, such as the inventions of the wheel, money, and the telephone. So it has a question: are these really critical developments? Yeah, are these really critical developments? So try to think of it yourself. Number two, the development of the internet is perhaps the most crucial of all. Is it true? Yeah, is this true? Yeah. And number three, so that few people can imagine life without it. Is this claim credible? Yeah, is this claim credible? Yeah. Number four is it is estimated that over 7% of North Americans, for instance, have internet access. Source given. Does the figure seem likely? Yeah, does this figure correct? Yeah, correct. Move to point number five. Physical shops under street as growing numbers shop online. Is the first part true? And if so, is it caused by online shopping? Okay, so try to think critically. Think in depth. Yeah, in depth. Number six. Yeah, speeding up their work and allowing them to produce better quality research. Yeah. If the first part is true, the result logically follow. Yeah. So this is what we need to think. Yeah, number seven. We are reaching a situation in which all kinds of information are freely available to everyone, which must lead to a happier, healthier, and richer society. Does the first part need any qualification? Is the conclusion justified? Yeah. It is really hard to consider, I think, but try to think. It is critical thinking. Number eight, is the writer objective or biased? Yeah. Is the writer uh, think according to the outside indicator or subjective thinking or predetermination thinking? All right, number nine. Do I agree with this argument overall? Okay, when you have already learned it, read it, how how do you think? Okay, what is your idea? What understanding do you have relating to this text? Okay, in conclusion or uh, in brief, the response to these questions will vary, yeah, will change, will uh, happen from student to student. Okay, um, it may have different idea or answer. It doesn't have the joint verification. It may have different. Uh, for critical thinking, let's see together on unit 2.1. Yeah, argument and discussion on page 101. Yeah, 101. If you have time, you can go to that page and read it yourself for more understanding. So you will see what does critical thinking mean. All right, now everyone, we have come to an end. If you have question, yeah, we provide you the answer. Thank you so much for your participation today, and see you again next session. Okay, good luck.